All right, the day is finally here. It's finally the 20th of August, 2023. Yes, the O2 is lit. It is the littest place on earth right now. There is sunshine shining, and man, it is no longer lonely at the top. Asake is running his thing at the O2 Arena in London, and first performer out, performing fresh and giving us all the hits that we've come to love in the past few weeks is Pluto Minia Boy. Yes, Pluto. And for sure, all the men mounts.
It is